The Somali Journalist Syndicate Secretary General Abdullah Ahmed Momin traveled to Nairobi on Wednesday in search of medical attention after being released from a Somali prison. Momin, who was released on Sunday, has faced a litany of a long list of legal issues since his arrest in October 2022 for objecting a new anti-propaganda law in Somalia that targeted news outlets. Somali officials thwarted Momin's attempt to travel to Nairobi on Tuesday, but international pressure from media rights advocates, the global community and various embassies contributed to his eventual departure. On social media, a number of embassies and organizations expressed their support for Momin. Sweden welcomes the release of journalist Abdullah Ahmed Momin. The Swedish embassy tweeted, The German embassy pleaded with Somali authorities to respect the press freedom and rights of Abdullah, in addition to expressing concern for Momin's well-being. Momin detailed his 166-day incarceration, which included numerous denials of his right to travel, as well as his battle with illness, in a lengthy Facebook post. Momin blamed his prosecution and incarceration on the judges involved in his case, as well as the State Minister of Somalia Presidency, Abshir Bukhari, and Deputy Minister of Information Abdurrahman Yusuf Al-Adala. He wrote, All these violations were committed against me in Mogadishu, where I grew up, studied, and spent most of my life, and where my parents are buried. I did not receive justice. Sharp knives were sharpened for me by the two Salahs in the court where I sought justice, Salah Deri and Salah Daban. The law and government were subsumed by the will of a small group self-proclaimed owners. I was subjected to various forms of abuse and punishment as a result of Abdurrahman Adala and Abshir Bukhari. In this case, injustice triumphed over justice. The Somali government arrested Momin for publicly opposing a directive designed to prevent the spread of extremist ideology. Momin, a journalist whose work has appeared in The Guardian and The Wall Street Journal, is a staunch advocate for press freedom and human rights in Somalia. Supporters view his arrest as an effort to suppress independent reporting, giving his and Somali Journalist Syndicate's concern the directive ambiguous language could be misused. Somalia ranks 140th out of 180 countries on Reporters Without Borders Global Press Freedom list. Since 2010, over 50 journalists have been killed in the country, with both Al-Shabaab militants and Somali authorities accused of numerous